Ever feel like your money mysteriously disappears each month? You're not alone. Millions struggle with managing finances, and in today's digital age, sneaky subscriptions and hidden fees can wreak havoc on your budget. That's where budgeting apps like PocketGuard come in, promising to be your financial superhero. But with so many financial apps on the market, is PocketGuard the real deal or just another gimmick? Let's dive deep and see if PocketGuard can truly be trusted with your hard-earned cash. Unpacking PocketGuard's promises. PocketGuard boasts a user-friendly interface and a suite of features designed to empower you. Here's a breakdown of what they offer. Automatic transaction tracking. PocketGuard links to your bank accounts and credit cards, automatically categorizing your spending. This can be a real lifesaver, giving you a clear picture of where your money goes. Subscription tracker. Those pesky subscriptions? PocketGuard identifies them and even helps you cancel unused ones. Bill forecasting. Worried about upcoming bills? PocketGuard uses your spending habits to predict future expenses, helping you avoid overdrafts. Savings goals. Set financial goals, and PocketGuard tracks your progress, keeping you motivated on your journey to financial freedom. So, is it all sunshine and rainbows? While PocketGuard's features sound fantastic, there are a few things to consider before handing over your financial reins. Security concerns. Sharing bank login information with any app can be nerve-wracking. PocketGuard uses encryption and claims industry-standard security measures to protect your data. Still, it's crucial to research their security practices and ensure you're comfortable trusting them with your financial information. Accuracy matters. Automatic transaction categorization isn't perfect. Miscategorized transactions can mess up your budget. Be prepared to manually adjust some entries to ensure accuracy. Subscription focus. While subscription tracking is a plus, PocketGuard doesn't offer in-depth budgeting tools like some competitors. If you're a hardcore budgeter, you might need a companion app. Beyond PocketGuard, exploring your options. The financial app world is vast. Here are some alternatives to consider. Mint, a budgeting powerhouse. Mint offers detailed categorization, bill reminders, and financial goal setting. ynab, you need a budget. This app focuses on proactive budgeting, helping you allocate every dollar a job before it's even spent. Personal Capital, if you're looking for a holistic view of your finances, Personal Capital offers budgeting, investment tracking, and net worth monitoring. The verdict: trust but verify. Can you trust PocketGuard? It depends on your needs and comfort level. Here's a quick recommendation cheat sheet. Try it if you struggle with categorizing expenses and want help managing subscriptions. Look elsewhere if security is your top concern or you crave in-depth budgeting features. Remember, PocketGuard is a tool, and like any tool, its effectiveness depends on the user. Be sure to actively monitor your accounts, categorize transactions correctly, and don't rely solely on the app to manage your finances. Taking control of your finances. Financial literacy is key. Regardless of the app you choose, take the time to understand your spending habits and create a personalized budget. Most importantly, be mindful of your spending and don't be afraid to adjust your approach as needed. Building a secure financial future. Financial apps can be powerful allies, but they shouldn't replace your financial judgment. Do your research, choose an app that suits your needs, and most importantly, take control of your financial future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.